you can go ahead and remove the icing and set that to the side. Now we're starting off with these cinnamon roll grands, and they allow us to unroll all of the dough completely. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Once you get about halfway, you're just gonna cut that dough just like so, and then place the second layer right beside it. So we're just connecting this base of this dough all together, almost making it a little bit wider rather than longer, and then you can just smash that together and pair that right up. Perfect, that looks great. Building ourselves a delicious breakfast treat, we're gonna throw on some of this no-bake cheesecake right on top of these cinnamon rolls. Yes, I'm gonna place just a nice thin layer right on top, you guys. Now this might appear a little bit messy right now, but don't worry, we're having a little bit of fun doing it, and it is gonna turn out absolutely superb. So I have a nice thin layer, that's exactly what I want. Of course, if you wanna put more, you can totally put more, but we are gonna add some apple pie filling to that. I'm gonna start to scoop it out. I'm not sure if I wanna use it all or not. It might be a little bit too much. So let me just see, I'm just gonna work little by little. And once again, if you wanna put more or less, or you wanna change up this pie filling, be my guest. That is what's so fun about these easy recipes, you guys. I come up with these on purpose so you can switch them up to your liking and get a little bit creative and have some fun in your kitchen too. Now that we have that all locked and loaded in there, we're gonna start to carefully roll that back up. So nice and carefully, you'll just start to roll those rolls back up, all of this good stuff. It's okay if it oozes out a little bit, you guys. This is going to be fabulous, and when it bakes, it's gonna bake all together perfectly. Okay, now this is where it can get a little sloppy, but it's okay, right? Nobody ever sees this part, well, except for all of you watching. So we're gonna scoop it up to the best of our ability, trying to keep all of that together. It's not gonna make a difference once it bakes. As we place it here right into our bread pan, we are just gonna sandwich all of that in there. Oh yeah, when this bakes, it is going to all bake together and be delicious. And I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when we pull it out of this tin. It's going to be professional. Okay, there we go. This is looking good. All right, you guys, this was so fun to put together, and now I can't wait to eat it. Let's pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook between 15 and 25 minutes, and stick around. I think you're gonna love this easy breakfast treat. All right, you guys, our tasty breakfast loaf is all done. Now, I did let it cool down for a minute, which you definitely wanna do that, because what we're gonna do is we are just gonna flip this whole thing right over, just like so. And if all goes well, we should be able to lift this parchment paper right off and give a look-see. Oh yeah, perfect. Now remember that tasty frosting that you had? We are gonna patiently just pour it right over top, giving this such a tasty little breakfast effect, right? I love when the frosting just starts to drip down the sides. And if you have any left over, you can always serve it on the side. So I'm just gonna stop about there. So there is a little bit left over, which is nice if anybody wants extra. Okay, now watch what happens, the main reveal when we slice right into this. So I'm gonna just come right here into this front piece. Oh, this looks so good. We have all that apple in there and that cream cheese filling in there. Look at that, just coming all out. I'm just gonna see, I was thinking about picking it up with my fingers, but I'm just gonna try to place it right on my plate. I've already made quite a big mess today, but you know what? Sometimes I think that making a mess is a necessary thing, right? It's just part of life. Life just gets messy. So maybe just the mess in the kitchen is fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot wait to try this, you guys. I can see the cream cheese filling, the apple, we have the cinnamon roll, everything coming together. I mean, this tops the charts, you guys. How easy is it? A thing of cinnamon rolls, get your favorite apple pie filling, some cheesecake filling, unroll it, stick it in there, roll it up, pop it in the oven. You have a new fabulous breakfast treat, and it was so easy to do, you guys. I love this recipe. I hope you do too. I'm gonna finish scarfing this down. In the meantime, let me know if there's any variations that you would do. And yeah, what do you think? We'll see you later. Enjoy.